Today we have a Vauxhall, Opel Vivaro, Renault Trafic, Nissan Primastar. It's all the same. If you want to change the EGR cooler, you need to take this out, two lights. You take this off, it's be here. Then you come to the EGR cooler. It's here 2 bolts, underneath 2 bolts. This one, and there is one. It's a little bit difficult. I will show you. Where is my light? To take off this one, you need to take this off. This one you need to take off. To get there, you need to take this tube off of the radiator, then you get that there. The EGR, it's the big problem. This one broke off. Then where he is, this little piece is from the EGR. If it's broken, it goes to the turbo. So if you take off the EGR and you see this one is not there, you need to take the turbo off. Only the exhaust of the turbo. There is one small hole. If you have a small camera, you can see it. It's very difficult to find, but you can find it on the turbo exhaust in one hole there. If your turbo is a 2-part, there is like this one. You take this one off, then you take the turbo out. There you can find this. Yes. It's a difficult job, but you can do it. If I can do, you can do it also. Yes, so we can work. Bye.